Hello, thank you for watching. This is Stephen Dorsett, and I'm going to demonstrate how to paint a tree with watercolor. First, I'm going to outline the tree with a pencil very lightly, and then I'm going to go over that area with a light wash of green. Notice how I've left some parts of the paper showing. Those spaces will be the sky holes. Also, I want to make sure that the edges of the tree are kind of jagged looking. You don't want a round tree. You want the edges to look like you have leaves jutting out everywhere. Okay, next I'm going back in with a slightly darker value, and what I'm doing here is defining the highlights of the tree by adding shadows underneath them. When you paint a tree, you want to look at what the clusters of trees are. The clusters will all have similar values to all the leaves, and you define those clusters by putting shadows underneath them. And then the shadows will also have different values, so you want to go back in and add some darker values to those shadows. Okay, moving right along. Now I am painting the texture of the leaves by spreading the bristles of the brush and dabbing the brush all over the tree with a medium dark green. I had to go back in and lighten some of my highlights. I'll go back over those areas and add some texture to them with my small round brush. So if you mess up with watercolor, you can take up some of the watercolor by going over it with water and then taking up the paint with a paper towel. Alright, now I'm painting the trunk of the tree with a round brush and a couple branches. I'll go over the light side of the trunk with a paper towel and lighten that up, and then I'll go over the dark side with a darker brown. Now in the sky holes, I'm adding some branches. That's where you'll see the branches, is in the sky holes. The light source is coming from the left, so the left side of the tree will be lighter than the right side, and the same with the branches and the trunk. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.